Welcome back to Trina's Motivation, guys. Today I'm going to take you on this journey how I prepared this amazing brown stew chicken with no browning, no ketchup. You got to stick around. Let's jump into the video. So this is just a little all-purpose seasoning that we added to our chicken. We're going to also go in with our onion and some garlic. Those we're going to use first. When we're almost done cooking, we're going to add our bell pepper. We have red, green, and we have some tomatoes. So we have green and yellow and tomatoes. We also have some thyme as well. So once your chicken is done, we're going to add these to the chicken first, as you see me doing here now. I don't like to put the tomato and the bell peppers and those things in there at this time. Why? I prefer to wait until it's all like maybe about 15 minutes before I'm going to turn off the stove to get lots of flavor in it. Then to our frying pan, we're going to add a little bit of oil. You don't want to add a lot. And our secret ingredients, I'm actually doing this for the first time. Just small amount of sugar, and you're going to allow it to stay for just a little bit. I actually allowed mine to stay for a little bit too long, so be mindful, make sure your flame is not as high, but I decided to continue. Then I'm going to go in with the chicken. I'm not going to put the onions in there, but I will also have the garlic. I did add some garlic to the sugar before I added this in. Guys, the first thing I did was to just flip over each piece of chicken so it can get some nice brown color. Are you looking at it, guys? This is like 2 minutes in. All I did was to turn them over. You notice the nice brown color I'm getting? Oh my god, I was pleasantly surprised. As I said, this is my first time doing this. I've seen person do it before. I've never done it. And I was home today and I said, why don't you try this, girl, and see how it works? So then I jumped in and I decided to go right ahead with it, and I did. So after I flipped it over for a little while, I then decided that, okay, I'm going to turn my flames on medium heat and cover. It's about 3 minutes in, guys. No, that's not 3, about 5 minutes in. Look at this, look at this, you see? So you really don't need to put any water in your chicken because it springs its own water. Look at that, nice and brown. So we actually went in with some ginger and garlic. And then we're going to cover again, because remember, we don't want it to be burnt. Just love this color. Wow, look at that, nice brown color. Actually so surprised at the color. Look at this, and I have not added any water, so it actually had its own water, spring its own water. So you can try this. Well, I don't know it's gonna taste. I haven't tasted it as yet. So I'll tell you the end. So continue watching. So you just continue to stir it until it's cooked. Then we add when it's almost done, we're gonna add the rest of the seasoning, the onion, the bell pepper, this thyme, the scallion, and a little bit more garlic, because we want those to kind of make it really, really nice. All right. So believe it or not, I have not added any water to this. We're gonna go in with our seasoning though, because the chicken is basically cooked. So we're just gonna go in with the added seasoning, right? This is the added seasoning right here. So we're gonna go in with them, the onion, the tomato, the scallion, everything. We're gonna go in with all of that goodness, right? And then we're gonna go in with some carrots, just a small carrot. I'm not gonna go in with any Irish potato. I don't necessarily love the Irish potato in mine, but you can do that if you need to have a thick gravy. My gravy already feels thick. I'm going to add just a little bit of water to this. Remember, you want your water to be boiling, and then we're going to cover and leave it to cook. All right, we're going to allow it to everything to come together that you want to smell in this kitchen. Wow, let me tell you something. We're going to cover this and allow everything to simmer down nicely. So let's take a final look. Voila, guys, this is perfect. Oh my god, in another 2 minutes we are gonna turn this baby off. It look good, not true? No browning, no ketchup. Looks good. This is a finished product. Listen, oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, this looks so sumptuous. I'm just loving it. So to recap, just a small amount of brown sugar. You're gonna add some ginger, some garlic, then you add your chicken to it. Turn your flames down. I hope you enjoy this video, and you can have this with ground provision, or this next video will be just right for you. Thank you for watching.